Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was up at Garrett's Rod Shop and I got a really cool opportunity. There really is a guy named Garrett, a cool dude named Garrett, but nobody ever gets to meet him or see him. And then we all know Carl from Garrett's Rod Shop, but that's Garrett's son and he's the guy that's out on the road and the face of Garrett's. But there really is this older cool dude named Garrett. And I got the opportunity to look at his personal collection, and it may not be what you think it would be for somebody that builds all these cool hot rods, but it's a really cool opportunity, and I think these are some cool cars you'll want to see. So let me get the camera turned around, we'll check it out. So yeah, it may not be what you expect. Here in the front, you see a drag racer, you think, yeah, that's what a hot rodder would, put his money into for a collection. And you got a Corvette here, that's actually Vicky's car. And then you get into the collection, and it's like, they're not even American cars. Yeah. Stock gets them out of Europe. Anglias, because there are very few in the United States that have not been turned into drag race cars. So Garrett figured out that he could buy them out of Europe and have them shipped here and get nice, good, straight cars and be into them reasonably. And you'll notice most of them are all plugged in on battery tenders. Got some cool John Deere tractors, and one of these John Deere tractors is actually the original tractor that they used on the farm, because Garrett's Rod Shop, is on family farm land. And Vicky has a picture of her on the tractor back in the day. So there was an auction at some point, and that tractor got sold, and the person that bought it refurbished it, and Vicky went and bought it back. So now it sits in the collection. Cool Jaguar. I wish he'd do something with that. A T-Bird. I like the color of it. I shouldn't like it, but I do like it. One of my most favorite wagons on the planet is this one right here. And my favorite stuff in this collection is all Vicky's. The Corvette, I like the Corvette. I like the wagon. You got P33 here. Keep in mind that these cars that we're looking at now, these custom cars here, the finished ones, all come from the mind of Mr. Garrett. Yet when he wants peace and tranquility and going into his own collection in his own world, it's a bunch of stock stuff. Original. He likes original. He's got some stuff with wood wheels on it. And that's what I think is cool about this opportunity. Like I said, not everybody gets opportunities like this. I'm very blessed to do it. Look, that one's got a license plate on it that says original. Do you need to know any more? But yet, from those hands and from that mind come some really cool, wild, custom stuff. And what a great guy. What a great family. Just absolutely top-notch. I think the world of them. Well, a little less of Carl than the rest of them, but nevertheless, they're all very good. They support ScottieDTV, and I try to do what I can to support them. And I'm Hungarian, half Hungarian, and Vicky is Hungarian. Carl's mom is Hungarian, so she makes me Hungarian food. I like that. And anymore in today's short attention span world, it would have been nice to sit down with Garrett and talk to him about why he has these cars, because he didn't just throw a dart at a dartboard and buy them. They are all bought for a purpose and a reason. There's a story behind them, and there's this that would have been a really nice video, but it would have also been very long. And anymore, just to be honest, we've been over this, guys. YouTube does not support widescreen long form videos. I do them because that's what I do. I don't like making those shorts. That's not me. Don't ever get it confused. The only reason I do those is because that's what you have to do. But I'd rather do videos like this, interviews, nice sit down with a Coca-Cola, enjoy yourself. One of these cars over here is Carl's. And that car in front of us, that brown one, was actually finished, and they bought it. But again, I don't know that it's not what I thought it would be. I thought it would be a bunch of 70s muscle cars. Because again, a little bit about Garrett. He's got long hair. He looks like, he had a good time in the 70s. You know, I don't know how else to put it. Looks like he had a good time in the 70s. I'm sure he still has a good time. But again, just what a great guy. And guys, so much thanks to them for opening this building up and allowing me to come in and show you what's back here. Because again, it's not open to the public. It's just Garrett's private collection. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.